Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
Open the Instagram app and tap your profile icon in the lower right. Wait for your profile page to load completely before tapping Edit Profile. Tap Edit Profile to open the bio text field where your thread name appears. Scroll through the bio and locate the @mention or linked thread handle that you want removed. Highlight that @mention or any thread text and delete it using the keyboard backspace. After removing the thread name, tap Save to update your profile immediately. Open your Instagram settings by tapping the three lines and selecting Settings. Tap Account Center to manage connected Meta accounts and profile sync. In Accounts and Profiles, find any linked threads account listed under your profile names. Select the linked threads account and choose Remove Account to unlink it from Instagram. Confirm the removal when prompted to stop profile and bio sync across apps. After unlinking, check your bio again and confirm any residual thread name links are gone. After saving changes, refresh your profile by pulling down to reload the page. If the thread name still appears, log out and log back in to force a sync refresh. Clear the Instagram app cache or update the app to the latest version if problems persist. As a final step, copy your bio text, delete the entire bio, save the blank bio, then paste and save the cleaned bio again. This manual reset forces the platform to re-render your bio without the thread name.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.